Amy Slaton, sisters face jail and child welfare investigation after zoo drug arrest. £1,000 severe consequences. £1,000 Star, sister's wife Amy Slaton, could face jail time and a child welfare investigation after her arrest, experts say. The star pleaded not guilty to drug possession and child endangerment charges after a court appearance on Thursday. Amy and her boyfriend, Brian Loveborn, were arrested on Monday after police allegedly found drugs in their car during a visit to a drive-through zoo in Crockett County, Tennessee. Police said she had 2 children under the age of 8 in the car at the time. A police source later said she was traveling with her children Glenn, 2, and Gage, 3, from her previous marriage to husband Michael Holterman. The U.S. Sun reached out to Amy's lawyer, Taylor Hughes, for comment but did not receive a response. They were later picked up by her sister, Tammy Slaton. The Sun revealed that Amy was arrested for possessing magic mushrooms and 80 grams of marijuana in her car. The arrest warrant is only issued in the U.S. Sam Dowdurian, a former Los Angeles County prosecutor who runs the Dowdurian Law Group, told U.S. Referring to Tennessee law, Sun said Amy would face serious consequences if convicted. In Tennessee, possession of half an ounce of marijuana is a misdemeanor, he said. However, any amount greater than this may be considered possession with intent to sell. Here, possession of 80 grams is a significant amount and she could be charged with possession with intent to resell or sell. However, merely possessing more than half an ounce does not amount to possession with intent to sell, considering the child endangerment charge. Attorney Sam Dowdurian continued, other factors should also be considered, such as, b. she would face serious consequences, including prison. Whether the marijuana was individually packaged, whether they had scales, was a large amount of cash also found with the drugs? Whether she possessed it for personal use or with the intent to sell it becomes less important when you consider that she is also charged with possession of a Schedule I drug, mushrooms. Adding the child endangerment charge would make her face serious consequences, including prison time. The only time a child endangerment charge is a felony in Tennessee, as it is here, is when the child is under the age of 8. Attorney Dowdurian continued. Most states have all kinds of drug rehabilitation programs. But I think the addition of a child endangerment charge could affect her ability to take advantage of such rehabilitation programs. There will likely be an investigation into whether the children need to be taken for their safety, and that investigation may be more important to Ms. Slaton than the criminal proceedings. Initially, she claimed to have been bitten by a camel at the West Tennessee Safari Park, but the owner denied it. When police arrived, they reportedly encountered a strong odor near Amy and Brian's vehicle. The pair were held in the Crockett County Jail before being released on $10,000 bail each on Tuesday. Crockett County Sheriff's Office spokesman Stephen Sutton told the U.S. that Amy's brother, Chris Combs, had rescued the pair together. Amy and Brian were both charged with unlawful possession of Schedule I and VI drugs and 2 counts of endangering a child under the age of 8. The couple will appear again in Crockett County Court on November 7. Brian also pleaded not guilty at his arraignment on Thursday. Reg News, which attended the arraignment, was told that based on the indictment, a judge will decide whether to refer the case to a grand jury. Officers were concerned not only about the possession of illegal drugs, but also the fact that there were 2 children in the car. Crockett County Sheriff's Department Sheriff Stephen Sutton told Reg. Who is under the influence? What is going on? Amy's lawyer disputed the claims of zoo owner John Conley, who doesn't believe she was bitten by a camel, even though she was photographed being carried out on a stretcher before her arrest. She was bitten by a camel at the zoo, he told TMZ, adding that he was grateful for the love and support of fans.